going to be reviewing the Mielle Organics hair collection. I got some goodies for Target that I cannot wait to share with you. We're gonna do the whole wash and go routine using the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey collection. So now we are back. I am freshly out the shower and we are about to unravel my wet, damp hair. Alright, so this is what it looks like with no product in it, just wet. You can kind of see my curls. Oh my god. Sorry, I had to look myself. Second time. So I just want them to be more spiral, more defined with these products. That would make me happy. Less frizz, because I notice I tend to get a little frizzy as time goes by with me wearing my curls. So we are going to test this out and see what Mielle Organics is talking about. Now, one thing I forgot to mention, but I assume that everybody knows this already, this is a Black-owned brand, which is one of the reasons why I gravitated to it while I was shopping around looking for hair care products. I've heard a lot about the brand. My friend Ashley uses it, and I always compliment her whenever she wears her curls because they're so beautiful. And she told me that it was all Mielle, so hopefully I get those same results. Now, I do have a white tooth comb. I broke off a little section, as you can see while I was talking. I am going to separate this section because I do like to work in smaller sections as I go. My hair is really, really thick, if you cannot already tell, and it can take a while for me to fully detangle and separate. That's what we're looking like right now. Okay, so I'm gonna take this section, I'm gonna comb it out. As you can see, I combed through it really, really easily without any product in it already. I have a great deep conditioner that I use. One day I'm gonna share my wash routine with you guys, so I guess that could be in my next video. But okay, look at this length. Let me tell you guys, and you probably won't believe it when I say this. I cut off all my hair. Not cut. I shaved off all of my hair about 2 years ago. It was 2019, and here we are now 2022, and look at this length. Like, so much progress, you guys. When I say my hair was unhealthy, my scalp was unhealthy, I suffered from scalp problems and issues, just product buildup, all of that, and it got to the point where I gave up and literally shaved off all my hair. So to see my curls really blossom like this, it makes me really happy, and it makes me want to take care of it more. So I'm just putting this much in my hair that I just sectioned off and detangled. I really need those clamp balls, you guys, because my hair just gets in the way sometimes. So I'm just gonna spread that through. Try to get every curl with this leave-in. Hey, we see a little curl forming. We see you, girl. We see you. Okay, I'm gonna keep rubbing that in. Got some more hair to it. Okay. All right. Now, I probably should have read the directions on this for you guys, so let me do that really quick before we move ahead. This says apply a generous amount to section hair after conditioning. Work product through with your favorite detangling tool. Do not rinse, leave in. Okay? So, generous. You want to be generous. We're going to go in one more time with this product. Okay, I think that's generous enough. Oh my god, the smell is heavenly. Okay, beautiful. Next, we are going to go in with the curl smoothie. Now, I have heard from many people, including my friend I was telling you about earlier, that you have to use these products together in order to get the results that you're really wanting. So you have to use them, you know, step 1, step 2, step 3. So our step 2 is curl smooth. This has a thicker consistency than the leave-in. You can see. So now, because my hair is already detangled, we just put in our leave-in. And you guys, when they say natural hair journey, like, They literally aren't kidding. It has been a journey to find the right products to work for my hair, to understand my hair and the ingredients that it loves and that it doesn't love, and just figuring out styling. Like, it is a venture and a journey. But like I said, after starting all over, I wouldn't have had it another way. Okay, so the smoothie didn't really give too much definition. I'm gonna make sure I am, you know, kind of rubbing it in. I'm raking as well as using prayer hands. If you don't know what that is, raking is more like this, like a rake. You know, a rake just has those, you know, it's able to go through. Okay, seeing a little bit more curl, not too much, but hopefully step 3 will get me what I want. Okay, and then prayer hands, like I was telling you guys, I like this, just prayer hands, and then just one like that. So now we're going in with our coil custard. Now this says it's supposed to give you deep definition. So let's look at what we got now, and then we're gonna look at what we get once we put this in. Now the directions for this say, prime wet hair with pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner. Check, we did that. That was step 1. For best results, apply Mielle mint almond oil after priming hair while hair is still wet for adding conditioning and to reduce potential flaking. We'll do that next time. Define curls by applying coil sculpting custard, this right here, and to dripping wet hair. Take small sections and apply generously, fingering the products through and coating strands evenly. Allow hair to air dry or diffuse for needed volume. You see that? Okay, let's get it. I'm gonna apply a little bit more because I never feel like I'm applying enough. Never. Raking, finger it through, applying it evenly all the way down to the ends. Do not forget your ends. Okay, that girl looks nice. That one's pretty. Okay, I think I'm gonna comb it just so it can kind of separate everything. That's pretty. I think if I would have styled it a little bit better, it probably would have given me like what I'm envisioning. Because what I envision in my head and what I, you know, want is these curls, this curl right here, everywhere throughout my entire head. So I think I just have to style it a little bit better myself. But as far as the products, like, I love them. I love the smell. It's not too heavy. I just hope I don't frizz up. Like I said, that was one of the things that I said I didn't want. I'm gonna do a little bit more gel here on the ends. Just gonna coat what we did. Stretching it down. Okay, that's pretty. So now I'm gonna continue and just do my whole head. Okay, so this is the finished look after using the pomegranate and honey Mielle Organics collection. I am very, very happy with the results. I think it gave me a very, very beautiful wash and go. The only thing I noticed was I felt like I was using too much of the curl smoothie. I felt like it was weighing my hair down a little bit too much and making it not curl as much as I wanted it to once I would go in with the coil custard. So my tip for you, if you're gonna try this routine, is to use less of that smoothie than what I was showing you that I was using and more of the gel. So you see the difference from this side as opposed to this side. With this side, I use less of the smoothie. This side, more. okay? And look at this, you guys. Look at how cute this is. I am very, very happy with this. I think this is a line that I'm going to stick with. I'm definitely going to try more products from this line. And like I said, this video is not sponsored. So this is my total honest review. And I'm very happy with the outcome. I think it is very, very beautiful. I'll give you a 360 spin. I don't even know what the back looks like, so don't judge. Okay. And I just feel curly and cute. I feel like, yeah, this is a very, very good look for me, and I love it. It was very easy to do. I had no problems at all detangling, and that's a deal breaker for me. So this, yeah, this is good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for next time. Bye.